Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shushma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidelis Homeopath. Coming to the investigations part, if you are someone who is suffering from fibroids, the common investigation that you do is an ultrasonography. But before you do that, there is something called as pelvic examination, which is very important. If you are someone who is suffering from the common symptom of fibroids, that is prolonged bleeding, anemia, hair fall, waxy appearance, and also if you are having any problem in being conceived or if you are having any problem with recurrent miscarriages, you have to have a doctor consultation. And during doctor consultation, they can do two types of things. One is palpation, that is pressing onto the hypogastric region to see if the fibroid is large enough and they can feel it. And also there is a second kind of examination called as the bimanual examination. If you see the pictures right here, this is called the bimanual examination. Okay, and it is needed only it will be performed, otherwise palpation, that is pressing the hypogastric region, is enough. The secondary thing after bimanual examination, if they feel that you have fibroids, then they will be asking you for an ultrasonography or ultrasound abdomen and pelvis, where through the sound waves you will be able to view the inside of the uterus. It is a common investigation if you're suffering from any female reproductive problems. It can be PCOD, ovarian cyst, endometriosis, adenomyosis, or any other female reproductive disorders as such. So to view it, we will be using USG. And if the USG is not clear about the borders or if there is any other condition along with the fibroids, we will be asking you for an MRI so as to know about the borders in clear. And if that is also not clear, we will be doing a hysteroscopy. As you can see here, this is hysteroscopy where the instrument is inserted into the uterus to see or have a better look at the uterus. And if you want to view even the fallopian tubes, then you can do a saline infusion, which is saline hysteroscopy, where there is saline injected into your uterus and you can see the fallopian tubes much clearer. That is also another investigation. And apart from that, if you want to remove the fibroids and also view them in a better manner, you can do a laparoscopy. So these are the certain investigations which are regarding your female reproductive organ issue, that is fibroids. Along with that, there are other investigations that you need to do. Let's look into it. Apart from this, there are other investigations that you need to do. Those are nothing but, see, if you're experiencing this pallor, that is waxy appearance of the skin, paleness, you've recently become a little bit 2 tones fairer than your original color, and also you just seem weak every day, lethargic every day, then the doctor will advise you for a CBC, which is complete blood count, where we will be knowing if there is any sort of inflammation, that is looking at your WBC's level, and also if there is any sort of HB count decrease, that is your hemoglobin level, and also PCV, that is packed cell volume decrease. In all of this, we will be asking you for a CBC, and looking at this, we will prescribe the needed medicines. Apart from that, if you're suffering from lethargy, if you're having a recent weight gain, if you're having edema, that is waterlogging conditions, the doctor might ask you to do a thyroid profile, which consists of thyroid stimulating hormone, which is TSH, T3 and T4. Many people who are suffering from fibroid mostly will be experiencing hypothyroidism, where the TSH level is very low and the T3 and T4 are elevated. Apart from this, based on your symptomatology, the doctor will ask you to do certain tests needed. Okay, so these are the investigations that you need to do if you're suffering from fibroids. If you're someone who is experiencing fibroids and watching a video, if you want to have a good cure for your symptoms as such, you should be choosing Fidelis Homeopathy. In Fidelis Homeopathy, we have two kinds of consultation options. One is the online consultation if you're staying far away from the nearest branch of Fidelis, and in-person consultation if you're staying near the nearest branch of Fidelis. In online consultation, we have two options. One is the audio consultation and the second one is the video consultation. You can approach us through either one of it. And also, after the consultation has been done, and if you're having any sort of investigations already done, you can share it with us. After the case taking and the doctor consultation, the medicines will be delivered to you, especially to the online clients. Home delivery will be done. If you're staying in India, it will take 3 to 4 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. Across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days. If you want to contact us, you can contact us to the given number here, either through WhatsApp, either through call, or either through message. Okay. And if you want to know more about Fidelis Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidelis.com. If you are experiencing any sort of fibroid issues, infertility, or female reproductive diseases like endometriosis, adenomyosis, chocolate cyst, or hemorrhagic cyst, PCOD, PCOS, dysmenorrhea, which is painful periods, if you're looking for cure, Fiticus homeopathy is the answer. Why is it that you should choose Fiticus homeopathy? Because Fiticus homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we follow three principles. First, the reason for doing this video is itself because of the high and good amount of success rates that we are having in this female reproductive organ diseases. Second is the transparent treatment, where there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will be discussing you in detail about your prognosis. And the third thing is the personal care. The personal care here at Fiticus is really top notch. The reason for this video is because of the personal care. That is because in persons or the online clients have asked us so much of questions that we wanted to do a video in order to convey it and also in order to educate other people. So the personal care, we will be discussing in detail all of your myths. We will be busting it and we will be educating you. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to have an answer for all of your diseases, Fiticus homeopathy is the answer. So choose Fiticus homeopathy if you want to choose cure. Thank you.
Fiticus homeopathy.